Hi there, Jace here. It's 3rd of August 2026 and I'm just recording this intro because I realised I forgot to record an intro when I got these things. I made a little video with some photos, but I didn't record an intro. And basically they got a few little 4 lenses inside, macro lens, various lengths, and I filmed a little video back in February because I actually got them in February. It's quite windy here, and just, it's a very hot day. It's absolutely baking today, at least in the 20s. Anyway, I recorded and filmed a video. I just didn't put an intro, and these are brilliant. I only use them every now and then though. So what you'd see next is actually what I recorded back in February when I first got these things. I actually plan to use one of them when I was vlogging, actually, but obviously not now because I've got it here. But, enjoy the video and thank you.